স্পিডে ধরিলা খালাই দেই না
আর রই দাও বা ন বা
তুই খান্দা লইলি বহা দেব
কিটা কিটা ওগু দূর করে নিয়া ফালা খানো আনছো খান্দা কি আনছো
ও নো তোমার গেস্টর মুক্ত নেই ইসে কইতে পারতি
Hey, you can focus on now. Wait, there, go blurry. Yeah, Allah, tu balik ya. Ada mati tu, kami dah tahu magure. Ono tu.
না না তুয়া ফালা ইয়া আল্লাহ ওরে ফালাই দে
কিছু করার নাই
Welcome to my house, guys. Now you can't see the house properly because there's some clothes drying. But yeah. Now from here all the way to the other end, all this land is my dad's land. He's got all different types of fruit, trees. Oh wow, that's the azan. It's a call to prayer. Now all the local mosques will start to call for prayer. So there's two entrances, one over here and one over here. Usually we use this one, otherwise when there's guests we use this one. So come with me and I will show you my house. So when you're walking in every house in Bangladesh there's gates because there's a lot of robbery. So when you walk in, you've got this area over here, and you've got this area over here, which is called the Barinda. So if you walk over on this side, there's some space here as well. There's a little sofa here, and at night we play carom board right here in this corner. So fun. Right, so let me take you inside. So when you walk in here, this is where we sit, our sitting room. This is our sitting room. Beautiful. To be honest, nobody really sits here, only when guests come. This is the entrance from the other side. This is my brother's room, where he stays. As you can see, his tablet is stuck there, which he uses at night, loser. So if you come out, right opposite is the front room. Here's my brother's room. And if you walk right here in the middle is where we sit and eat our food. If you walk over here, it's my parents' room. This is my parents' room with an ensuite. They've got their own bathroom as well. And I love the bathrooms here. I like it more than our bathroom in London. Let me show you the shower. Beautiful shower. It's really clean. They really look after this place. Right, so come out where we sit and eat our dinner. And this is the prayer room. Got a little room for prayer. We also have an upstairs, which I will take you in a bit. This used to be my room. It's not anymore. It also has an ensuite. And the shower as well. Not bothered to show you that. Where everyone eats, they wash their hands here, and it's really convenient. We've got a main bathroom which is right over here. And this is where I stay. It's 2 pairs. The rooms are so big here in Bangladesh, it's crazy. Now let's go upstairs. Okay, there's a bus sitting right there. So I'm not going to move any further, but basically this is a chilling spot. Amazing, so beautiful. And there's areas in here which you can store things. And that's it, guys. This is our kitchen, which I forgot to video when I was filming the house tour, and I just remembered now. So this is the kitchen with current, and right now there's no current, so it's not going to work. It's got microwave. Not everyone has a microwave, not everyone has a kettle. And I love these Bangladeshi style hands. And they cook 2 at a time here. So guys, and then we've got this area over here. We've got a storeroom where all the vegetables are kept. We've got a little area here as well. Raining a lot. And over here is a room where my uncle stays. He looks after the house and he's got his own bathroom as well. So yeah. Gosh, I'm gonna miss this place so much. It's raining. It's so relaxing just sitting here doing nothing. I've had such a horrible year and this holiday was so well deserved. I've had so much fun. And so much rest. Look at the rain.